again to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you how to use this vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner. The brand is written here. It is called Bissell Aeroswift. So first of all, it has a handle. It has where the liter goes, and this one the cleaner. So what you do, you remove this one. Remove it like this to the length that you want, and then this is the part you connect to the socket. So I'm going to connect it here. I'm going to connect it here. Yes, it's already connected. So I want to hold this thing here. Then how do we put it on? You press this part. This is the power. So I want us to learn how to set your Bissell vacuum cleaner. So this with the controller button, so you can put it here. It is written bare floor. So when you want to clean this bare floor, you put this one to point to this part. You see, here it's bare floor. So you can, then you press this part, the power point, press it. If you want to clean a carpet, you can set, depending with the texture and height of the carpet, you use the same button. Now to remove from the bare, you set it to where you want it to be. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna put it here. Then I press the power. After you have finished your cleaning, you remove it from the socket like this, and then you want to remove this one. For you to remove this part where the liter goes, you just press this part. You press it here where it is written push. You see, as easy as that. And then you want to dispose the liter, just twist like this. You see? And then if you want to remove it, you want to return it, like that, then return it back like that, and then you turn it. Oh, I had this one clearly. Until it clicks, and then you can keep your vacuum cleaner till next time. Bye.